Number 5 is PENCHEN Original Pro 3D Printer. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into 3D printing and ghost guns. We're about to unveil a gem that will surely ignite your passion. Let us introduce the PENCHEN Original Tarantula Pro 3D Printer, ranking at number 5 on our list of the best 3D printers for ghost gun enthusiasts. This extraordinary machine combines power and convenience, starting with its robust aluminum frame that guarantees a sturdy structure, perfect for all your printing endeavors. With an impressive build volume of 235 by 235 by 250 millimeters, the Tarantula Pro opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to bring many ghost gun models to life. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to filament compatibility. The Tarantula Pro supports 1.75mm filaments such as PLA, flexible PLA, wood, PVA, and HIPS, allowing you to experiment and create with different materials. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Tarantula Pro's upgraded Rgb Screen, which not only adds a touch of style but also serves as a window into the magic of your prints. The screen's captivating colors dynamically reflect the printer status, keeping you engaged and informed throughout printing. So if you want the Pro 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for ghost gun. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.